Welcome to Tensor Flow. In this tutorial, I would like to give you a brief introduction about TensorFlow. TensorFlow is by Google. It is Google's artificial intelligence engine. It is an open source software library mainly for machine learning, deep learning, neural network research areas. That is, using the TensorFlow library, you can train your applications to make it learn for tasks like language translation, speech recognition, or image recognition. So you can think of TensorFlow as one way to activate your own neural network models with respect to its training phase and also with respect to its execution phase. The underlying TensorFlow software is built using C++ programming language, but application developers who are using TensorFlow can develop their neural network models using C++ or Python. Now, when it comes to computations or implementations in TensorFlow, the computations are represented as graphs. So that means it helps you build the numerical parts in your neural network model in the form of a graph. Every graph has nodes, and each node will have some operations defined, and it is these operations that we use to carry out computations in TensorFlow. So the nodes here are also called as ops. In TensorFlow, computations are done by tensors. That is, these are multidimensional arrays or list of values, and it is these tensors that are considered to be the basic unit of data that we will be handling in TensorFlow. These are a few applications by Google that were developed using TensorFlow. RankBrain is an information retrieval domain application where it uses artificial intelligence to filter out results as and when we search in google.com. Inception image classification model uses a deep convolutional neural network called as Inception for classification and detection purposes. Smart Reply is an application which is to do with auto email response generation. Massively multitask network for drug discovery uses deep neural network to identify promising drug candidates. On-device computer vision for OCR or optical character recognition uses computer vision to do character recognition, and these results are used to carry out real-time translations. So that's with introduction. Now, to make it more interesting, we will deal with the installation steps as in lab number 2. In lab 3, we'll be working with tensors. Lab 4, we will work with building up a neural network model for digit recognition using TensorFlow. Lab 5 will be on convolutional neural network and on applying it to the digit recognition task.